Hey, look at these little girls.
What? I want to see me.
There's Missy. There's you.
What?
You can't see it. I can see you.
Hi.
Wait a minute, Myrtle.
Mom, that's a troll.
That's chalk? Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Wow.
How did that come out of you? Oh my goodness.
Excuse you.
Has she ever done that before?
No.
Wow.
Did you give Fawn a kiss? Tweedle Beetle.